Hello everyone, this is Alex from Crazy Sexy Fun Traveler, and in this video I would like to tell you something about intermittent fasting. I'm not sure if you are familiar with the name. It's usually called 16-hour intermittent fast, and I've been trying to do as many fasts as possible for 3.5 years, since July 2013. And now, after Christmas, it's the best thing I can do for my body if I really want to lose the calories I gained over Christmas period. So right now, after just 4 days of intermittent fasting, I actually have 3 centimeters less in my waist, 3 centimeters less of fat in my belly, and 1 kilo less than I had before Christmas, not after. How does this 16-hour intermittent fasting look like? So basically you start counting 16 hours from the last meal you had, for example, or the last dinner you had yesterday, last night. You add 16 hours and then you can have next meal. So if you finish with the dinner, then it means you will have no breakfast, and you will start around lunchtime. It depends on the time when you had your dinner. Or not having dinner, so you start counting from lunch, then you have no dinner, and then you can have breakfast on the other day. So it only depends on you what works better for you. For me, it's definitely not having breakfast. I can survive without breakfast and just drink, but I am not that good without dinner. So now for the past 4 days I've been doing this 16-hour intermittent fasting. So I always finish with dinner, counted 16 hours plus, and then I had my first meal on the following day. Usually it's better if you start your first meal again after the fasting with something very light, for example fruit or a fresh juice or a smoothie. Yesterday I had fresh orange juice, and all the other days I started with a green smoothie, because for me it's like the best thing ever, and I really enjoy smoothies. And why is this intermittent fasting so great for you? You might be asking, if you haven't heard of this fast. So out of all the different kinds of fasting you can do, this one is maybe the easiest one to do, because it's not so long. Most of the time you don't even realize you're not eating, because sometimes you do this fast without even planning on doing it, just because you don't have food or you don't have time to eat, or you're somewhere or on the road where you cannot get any food. So if you plan this fast, it's way easier when you know that you will just drink water or tea and not eat, and then you plan an easier, lighter meal. And this fast, it's great for you because your metabolism will get faster. You will start burning calories faster, because your body doesn't have to deal with digesting new food, so it can focus on other things and do things that are necessary inside. So it can repair the body cells faster, your brain will work better, the insulin levels will lower down. So also this intermittent fasting is great for people with diabetes type 2. And you will just feel lighter and simply burn more calories and feel better, because you don't have to deal with overeating and excess food, and your body can focus on giving energy to the things that are really necessary, instead of digesting another meal. Because nowadays people tend to eat a lot more than we actually need to, and then we have so many problems, because we feel as if we didn't have any energy for the things we want to do, for exercise and for work, for following our dreams. And the problem is that we usually overeat. So if you can do something for you now, or if you actually want to feel lighter and give your body and your digestive organs a break, so you can have energy for the things you really want to do, then you should try 16-hour intermittent fasting. And as I said, I've been doing this fast for more than 3.5 years, and it's like the best thing ever for me. I so got used to not having breakfast. When I'm at home in summer, I do it almost every single day. And then now, even in winter, when it's like -10 Celsius outside, I'm still doing this fast because it's very good for me. And when I'm traveling, I do this fast as well when I'm staying at hotels where I have no breakfast included. Some kind of a lifestyle for me already. If you would like to learn more about these things and other things I actually do eat, and more about my raw vegan diet and how to be healthy, you can check the link and get my ebook, which is called How to Be Fit Not Only When Traveling. Bye! Thank you for watching.